about characteristics equations of SR, JK, D and T flip-flops. In order to understand the characteristic equations, first we must write function tables which you already studied. Function tables of all the flip-flops. Let us write SR flip-flop function table. In the SR flip-flop we have S and R are the two inputs. Q plus is the next state output. Because of the two inputs we have to take 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. The first case, whenever it is 0 0, it is the previous value or the previous preset value. 0 1 it is 0 and 1 0 reset, then set, and 1 1 it will be don't care conditions. Similarly, when we take JK flip-flop, in JK flip-flop again two inputs JK and the output as Q plus. So we have four combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So Q plus outputs, when it is both 0 0 previous condition, it is Q, 0 1 it is 0, then 1 0 it is 1, and 1 1 it is Q bar, reverse of whatever you get. Similarly, let us write truth table for D flip-flop and T flip-flop. For the D flip-flop, there is only one input D and Q plus, and only two conditions, two possible conditions 0 and 1. It will remain as 0 and. Similarly for T and Q plus, so it is also 0 1 and Q bar are the outputs. In order to obtain characteristic equation, we must obtain next state tables. Next state tables. Let us obtain next states table for SR flip-flop. Now here you have SR as Q are the inputs and the next state Q plus as your output. So there are 8 possible combinations as we know. Let us assume the 8 possible combinations 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. Before writing the value of Q plus, we must observe the SR flip-flop function table. Now, please observe whenever S was 0, R was 0, and if Q is 0, what is the Q plus? In order to obtain the value of Q plus, we must see the condition when S and R are 0. What is the value of Q plus? Q plus remains to be Q. Now, here Q remains to be 0. So as per the table, as per this table, now what is Q plus is equal to Q, the value of Q. Now what is the value of Q here? It is 0. Next condition is again 0 0, but here again the value of Q is 1, hence the Q plus will be 1. Next condition is 0 1. Now look at the truth table. Whenever it is 0 1, what is the value of Q plus? Q plus will be is equal to 0. Hence I'll write Q plus is equal to 0. Even whenever it is 0 1, it is 0. Next 1 0, there is a condition called as 1 0. Here whenever there is a 1 0, the output is 1. So we can write 1 1 0 1. And the last one is don't care condition. Whenever it is 1 1, it will be X. So this is how the next state table for SR flip-flop can be obtained. Now similarly, if I need to obtain for JK flip-flop, T flip-flop, D flip-flop can be obtained in the similar lines. Before you can obtain the same, but we need to obtain the characteristic equation for this SR flip-flop. How to obtain the characteristic equation? Now let us assume in order to obtain the characteristic equation, that is the value of Q plus, you need to go for the K map. How many variable K map? Because it is 3 variable K map, you need to consider 8 cells. So S, R, Q are the 3 inputs as per the truth table. So what is the output we got? We got 0 1, 0 0, 1 1, XX. Let us fill the values 0, 1, 0 0, into the respective cells, that is cell number 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 6. So 1, 1, x and x. How many possible grouping can be done in this? So if you observe here, you can make one quad, 4 and one pair, 2 way. So what is the answer for q plus? So here you have 0 and 1. So q plus is equal to s from this quad, and here it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Because it is with respect to s, so we have taken s here. Now here 0 and 1, 0, 1 get cancels here, and 0, 1. What is 0 here? R bar and q. So this is the characteristic equation of your SR flip-flop. Similarly, we will be able to obtain characteristic equations for JK, D and T. So I'll show the answers for JK and D. So Q plus will be obtained as J Q bar plus K bar Q. This is with respect to JK flip-flop. On the similar lines, for D flip-flop, we will be able to obtain T is equal to, or for the D flip-flop, Q plus is equal to D, and for T flip-flop, Q plus is equal to T XOR Q. So these are the characteristic equations of SR, JK, D and T flip-flops. Thank you.